Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 10/7/2022 and the time is 6:30 p.m. So this video is about Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P, ETH USD and BTC. And somebody asked me about Tesla. So I thought of covering Tesla a little bit. And 3 weeks before, we clearly mentioned that, the Dow Jones important date was 17th June and whether it is going to bounce back from there based on time, not on price, based on time. But it is exactly made the bottom on the fortune signals Shakti line, and from there it was roaring. And why we gave it has to bottom out on that week is based on fortune signals. All that was covered in a very detailed video, which is available in my YouTube channel. So you can go back and watch that, videos. If you go here, this was the video. All indices, major indices at a crucial level. Will there be a bounce based on time? And this was made on 19th and 17th was the important day, which I clearly mentioned in the video. You can go back and check where we compared fortune signals with the time and see how much bounce it has already given. And last week I covered very detailed, stuff here, in-depth analysis of Dow Jones. Crucial week is coming out, and this week, that is last week, from 4th to 8th, was very, very crucial for Dow Jones, which we predicted much before. And 5th was the very important turning point for Dow Jones. After 17th June, the next important date was 5th July. 5th July. And that also we covered in this video. You can kindly go back. Now we will go to the chart. Okay, so now earlier, why we gave the bottom is done? Because fortune signals has given a sell. If this sell candle low is not breached, it has to go up. It has to grow. So it gone up, number one. This is a simple observation. Okay. So now let's go to daily. And it exactly took the support at the pink color line in fortune signals on one day. And this happened on 17th. This happened on 17th. Okay. And from there, it started moving up. Now, which is the crucial date? The crucial date is this 5th low, and more or less the 5th was the last week low. See how beautiful all it is coming. Okay, so this was the 5 candles which we need to watch out for this week. That is, last week was very, very crucial from 8th to 4th to 8th. So this was the high and the low made exactly on 5th, and 5th was the important trend change date. So break above or break below is going to be the key decision making from next week, because this is a very, very crucial week for Dow Jones. So break below 5th low, problem. Break above this high, 8th high, it's very good. Okay. In case if it breaks, where are the resistance level? Okay. This I'm going to explain purely based on fortune signals. Just watch this. Let's go to 4-hour. The 4-hour resistance is here, and last time also it came down in 4-hour till it is in bearish only. Still it is in bearish only from here. Okay, from here, from 35,251 in 4-hour, it is still in bearish. How? So after 4-hour, it gave a sell, then it went, gave a buy. This is again a fake buy where people got trapped. Again, it started coming down, went up, again it gave a buy, again a fake buy, because after that none of the candle closed above this candle high. Here again it came down, this candle went up, but none of the this candle high was not taken out on 4-hour basis. So this is the fake buy again, where people got trapped, again came down, people got trapped, and from there it is again started coming down. So this, many people know how to use this. Once it breaks this red color line, if the first candle high is not taken out, you can simply go short. This is a very, very simple point to ascertain where is the low or where is the high. Okay, so again it came down, went and touched the blue again. So now it is below that red and blue. So now these two numbers I've already marked in blue color. So these two numbers will act as a first resistance, 31,571 and 32,013. Break above that, it will go to one day. These two numbers, 32,712, 33,107. So on the upper side, these are the two important four numbers which you need to watch out for in Dow Jones. Okay. And coming to support, in 1 hour, this will act as a major support, which is 30709, 30709. Okay, so now let's put it 30709 and second and 30609. So this will act as a support. So now what we need to watch out for, whether it is going to give a breakout above last week high or it is going to go below last week low, which was the very important trend change date on 5th July. So it should not close below 5th July low. That's a criteria. So let's see how Dow Jones is going to play out from here. And if you go to Ichimoku, in 1 hour it looked good, but in daily, I don't want to go very deep into all that. So let's talk about in 4 hour, it is still in bearish only, and it has not taken the trend line out. And that's how it is. So I've already given the numbers. So now let's go to S&P. Exactly at Ichimoku baseline, not able to cross, but it has taken the support even last week. I've clearly mentioned why it has taken a support, and it has taken a support exactly on the pitchfork median line. And I've covered this in very detail in 3 weeks before that video. So exactly from there it went up. Now it is struggling here, and this was the monthly red and blue of fortune signals. So it is holding on monthly. It is holding on monthly. It should not go below this candle low. If it closes below this candle low, the monthly will also become ugly. Then we need to be very careful on S&P. So now let's go to where the resistance are. Based on pitchfork, based on fortune signals, the resistance is inside the cloud. These two lines, blue color and red color line. And I've already marked that in black color line, which is 4139, 4082. And if it comes to 4 hour, and it is not crossed above the 4 hour cloud on the upper side, 3939 and 3978 will be the very important number. It should not close below 3714 on a monthly closing basis. And we have another 20 days to go. So that is a very crucial number, and where the pitchfork support is also taken exactly on the daily basis. On the daily basis, this is a long-term pitchfork line which I've drawn. So it is taken exact support from there. So you need to watch out this pitchfork major line. So, and it has to cross the trend line now. Let's see, it has to go up. So how much? It has to cross 3978. Then we can see whether it is going to go up or not. And on a weekly front, it has given a genuine sell on weekly. So little bit of uneasiness in S&P, but Dow Jones is still okay. And let's go to Nasdaq. Weekly is definitely bearish, no doubt about it. And if you go to monthly, the only savior as of now is it has cut my fortune signals red color line here till it holds this. Once it cuts, if the candle comes, if the candle low is not broken, there will be a chance of recovery, right? So now till it holds this last month low, it can survive. If it breaks below last month low, again the problem will start. And I've done a lot of Ichimoku combination, pitchfork combination, all that is inside. Maybe if you go to daily, then you will see all that. Anyway, so I don't want to go very deep into it and explain all this. A simple thing is, if I hide everything, the daily resistance is at 12,815 and 13,039. And if you go to 4-hour, this is the resistance. These two are the resistance, which is 12,203 and 12,349. So these two are the resistance as of now. So let's see how it going to plan out in the coming week. And you, after this, you draw your trend line, whatever line you want, you can draw all that, and RSI, put everything, and then you can do that. So now let's go to ETH USD. See, this is on 4-hour. Until now, it is a fake buy. First of all, it's a fake buy, and in one day, it is still in negative. And the important date for this guy is 14th June. You can go back to my 14th June video of crypto, but we identified this date much before. We said 14th June will be the crucial date, and it is there in my PPT also. Sorry, 14th June is the very crucial date for cryptos. Okay, and we predicted this date much earlier. And see how it is respecting the high and low. This is the high, this is a low. Came down, went up, not able to close above, and trading within the range. And this was a very big candle of on that day, roughly around 200 points or 170 points in ETH. If you go to BTC, and BTC is not able to even go near to that high of 14th June. See how beautifully it respects. And 17th June, 7th June also very important date, and that is where again the top has happened. And all these dates are given much before. So you can go back and watch my videos. And even though I don't trade in cryptos, I don't know anything about cryptos, but we can identify the time very clearly much before, right? So till it has to cross the 7th high. Once it crosses 7th high, we'll talk about bullishness. Till that time, we don't need to talk anything about this guy. And till it closes below the 14th June low, it's again a problem. Okay. So if you want, maybe I think I've covered somewhere here. Yeah, 7th high and low is the key. It's here. Okay, so let's go here and see in my PPT. 7th high and low is the key. So watch out for this. Still it holds. And I have given all these important observation I used to give in my PPT. And Dow Jones important is the second week. And I gave this in the month of June itself. Okay, and that is where it closed here. Let's see how it is going to plan out from here. If crosses and closes above last week high, it is good. If it crosses and closes below last week low, it is again bearish. More or less 5th was the trend change rate, and that is where the bottom is already made on Dow Jones. Okay, so now somebody asked me Tesla, so I thought of covering Tesla just for a bit. He came in the webinar, so okay. So as of now on daily, it is bearish. Okay, so see here how beautifully it worked. Okay, so it gave a sell here at 931, and from there it went up, but no buy. Came down all the way, again went up. Exactly, it gave a fake buy. This is where the people will get trapped. And we are able to find this out very clearly. If this candle high is not broken, you can go short here. Very small stop loss. Okay, and after the fake buy, it came down all the way, and it was struggling here and all that. But the important date was 2nd June 2022. Unless and until it doesn't crosses and closes above this date high, there is no buy. Okay, so watch out for this. And the next important date, I think I've already made somewhere, and no problem. I'll again try to do that. I've already identified the next date where we'll watch it. So unless and until it is not crossing above 2nd June high, there is no buy. Okay, on daily. Let's go to 4-hour. So now what happened? In 4-hour, it has given a buy. The simple thing what you need to do, if the next to 4-hour candle is not closing above this candle high, you can simply go short here. you can simply go short here, right? If you go here, this was, see how beautifully it works in 4 hour. It gave a fake buy, came down. It gave a fake sell, went up. Once it gave a fake sell, it comes down, it takes the support on the fortune signals, return. And now it's giving a genuine buy. Now it has to be genuine tomorrow, and more or less this I was here, which is 794. So tomorrow, the first 1 hour, 4 hour candle is very, very crucial for Tesla. If it is not going above that, you can simply go short with the stop loss of this I, where the fake buy has come here, and you can ride the trend on the downside unless and until this day high is not crossed. It is bearish only. It is bearish only. Then now you put all your trend line, whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay, so that's how it is. I'll try to cover maybe somebody asked me natural gas also. The important date for natural gas was 28th April 2022, and the next date is 25th July 2022. 25th July 2022. And crude oil, the important date was 24th June 2022. Watch out. It has broken this red color, but none of the candle closed below this low. That's the beauty of it, because it closed below this red, and none of the candle closed below this candle low, and it is going up. Now let's see how it is going to go from here. So I think mostly I covered on all this. So we will try to cover Nifty and Bank Nifty. Very special, close at a very, very crucial date. 12th is an important date. 13th is a Purnima date. So many things are happening, and we closed at a very, very crucial date. I'll try to cover Nifty and Bank Nifty, and few stocks, which are looking good based on falling wedge pattern, because Nifty has already broken that on the higher side. It has broken the falling wedge pattern. So you can concentrate on stocks which are on the breakout of which is given in falling wedge pattern, namely like ICICI Bank, Adani. There are many. Maybe I'll try to cover the F&O stocks with the magical one number magic of monthly, which I shared you on 1st of July. But see how it works like mad. Only 2 numbers, no chart, nothing. Break above that number, buy, stop loss 1%. Break below that number, sell, stop loss 1%. Finished. So I will try to do all that. And thanks for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Kindly go back and see this video, which we done last week. It was a miracle week. And we were able to pinpoint where to where on based on numbers. Charts later on with the number to number, with the pinpoint low number to pinpoint high number, which we predicted 1 week before. Okay, so kindly go back and watch this video. You'll be amazed. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. See you soon in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.